Hello friends, welcome back. Today is such an exciting day. We are at Aegviidu Bog and just enjoy this beauty and the tranquility that you can have and experience here. This is a bog which is quite famous here in Estonia, and you can have several bogs. One of the most famous bogs is Aegviidu Bog, and that is again an hour of drive from Tallinn. And this is Aegviidu. Aeg in Estonian means time, and it took us approximately 50 minutes by train from Tallinn to Aegviidu. Cost roughly about €6 for two persons ticket, so €3 per person. And I would like to show you a little bit around. You can also expect some wild animals, though not that harmful. But hi friends, we are now just finishing the bog trip, and here at the center, which is very next to Aegviidu train station, and it's a beautiful day again today with roughly around 27 degrees, quite sunny, very nice and green, quite peaceful. And we're going to have some chicken sausages barbecued here as we sit together. Just enjoy the peace, tranquility, and the beauty, the nature. So here you have some small tables, some cabins where you can sit with your family, enjoy some barbecue. Nice wooden structure, typical Nordic style. And this is the entire bog that you can walk inside. It can take approximately an hour if you really want to explore it well. Quite tall trees. This is where we will have the sausages barbecued. Hope you enjoy it. Really, when you come to Estonia, one thing that we really noticed after coming from such a big country or city is that you become quiet, peaceful, relaxed person and really enjoy the beauty of nature and the nature itself.